Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the people counting project using Python. So in that project user have to upload any input video or image and it will detect the person and it will try to count the total number of person. Like right now it is counting 7, 8, 10, something like that. Okay, whenever the person come inside into the frame, then it will count increasing, and if the person going outside from that particular frame or video, then it will decrease the count in the total number of person. So this will be the complete project. This project we are developing related to computer science domain in machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Java, Android application and web application. If you are searching at project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. So this project work like as an object detection, and it will count the total number of object from that particular video. It's same like that object is a person, and it will count total number of person from that particular video. Let's continue with this video. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.